Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm installing a vinyl floor in a basement. And what it is, it was actually flooring that was left over from another house. There's not quite enough to do this whole basement. We're missing enough to do a small corner, so we're going to take and put carpet in that corner to make up the difference. I'm pre-spreading the floor out for myself, and then I'll come back and lay it. This flooring, well, let me explain first the tools I have. I simply have a hammer, and this block is just a tapping block to tap the pieces together. You can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's about $30 for the kit, and it comes with a tapping bar. This is the bar you use if you got to pull it, if you need to hook it on the wall, and then you hit it to pull the tile back. And then this one you use to tap the other way, if you got to tap it that way. And that's what these are the very simple floor tools for this kind of flooring. They're really handy to have. You can do them without it. It's a lot more difficult. For 30 bucks, it's a cheap investment. And this kind of flooring now, with any kind of vinyl flooring, depending on the manufacturer, there are many different locking systems. So the locking system that you might get might be completely different from this one. Completely different in the design, but similar in that it locks in the same way. All manufacturers make them different for different thicknesses, and well, just because that's the way they do things, I guess. It just makes it harder for installers. But anyway, when you lock this in, you lift up on the leading edge, and it just pushes right in, and you can take and just tap it in with your hand like that. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. The piece locked in, and they are strong. I can move this whole floor, trying to push it out. It locks in really good. So anyway, I'm going to lay this whole floor, and then I'll show you a sample of me cutting the next piece. And then I'm just going to get to it and start laying it, and you'll see how fast it actually goes. Anyway, this 100% vinyl floor, it's really good for basements as far as for water protection. And if you have flooding, you can take this up and dry it out and put it back down. Obviously it's labor, but you have all your material. And it comes out the same way it goes in. Just start it wherever you end it, start there and take it apart. So 41 1/16 is what it came out to be. And I'm going to cut this in with a sheetrock knife just so you can see it. Of course, you need a sharp knife, and all you're doing is really just scoring the edge, and then it'll break, just like that. Take it and score it with my knife. And I'll break it. That's it.
Susan, where do you? I don't see it anywhere.
Well, here's the job. It's done. We got all the floor in and got the carpet in. It only took a week. No, actually, it only took about 6 hours. We got all the floor down, and we put a carpet square in here, and we used actually a double-sided, it's a double-sided carpet adhesive strip, and when it sticks solid. And we stuck the vinyl floor down, the last bit of it, and we also stuck the carpet down all around, just like it was tack strip. and it worked perfect. And so the customers are happy and I'm happy.
Good.
So thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button below and we'll bring you more videos as they come up. Well, here's the job on this end, and we also stuck the carpet down up against it. So
That last part on here. We also
we stuck the vinyl floor down with it and so anyway, thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button. I'll bring you more. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button below and we'll bring you more videos as they come up.